In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SuperDOM in NinjaTrader. Now to do this, you first want to open up SuperDOM inside your NinjaTrader. So to do this, you want to go to your control center, and then I would recommend you go to connections and actually establish a connection. I'm currently connected to this simulated data feed, but of course any other is going to work as well. So once you're connected, go to the new tab top left, and you can see SuperDOM or SuperDOM over here. So this one's dynamic and this one is static. You can open up whichever one you want. I'm gonna go and open up both of these just to put them side by side over here. And before we begin, you actually must select what you want to see in here. So at the bottom left, it says instrument, and you can of course go and change it. For example, I'm actually going to go and put both of these on this MNQ September 26, and then over here, I'm just going to kind of compare them side by side. So what you have to do here is essentially understand the layout. So this over here in the middle is going to be your price ladder. Price moves incrementally up and down in the middle column, as of course you can see over here, it's actually moving up and down. Now, you have the buy or bid column over here on the left, so that's on the left side as I said, and this is showing queued buy orders and limit placement areas, okay? And then you have the sell or ask column, which is here on the right as you can see, and this is showing queued sell orders and ask levels. Now highlighted in yellow, which is this price over here, is basically the current mark-to-market status, okay? So that's the last traded price. And then down here you can see at the bottom, you have the option to basically place different orders and stuff like that, okay? So let me now show you how to do this. If I actually go and, for example, select an instrument over here, then I'm going to go with day over here. You can do whatever you want in TIF. You can select your quantity and then the account you want to use and the ATM strategy you want to use as well. And then you can simply place the order by clicking anywhere you want over here. For example, I'm going to click here to sell. I'm going to confirm this, and there we go. As you can see, I have one order. To cancel it, you can click on this X button over here, and it's going to cancel your order. Of course, you can do multiple, and of course, they can get filled if they are on the market right now. So if I go over here, it's gonna get filled quite quickly. There we go, you can see. And of course, you can then go and basically cancel these by clicking the X buttons over here to cancel all, or the X button next to it to actually cancel just that one, okay? And of course, down here, you also have like the market. You can do a market order if you click on that. And yeah, that's essentially all you have to know inside SuperDOM, okay? So super simple. I explained what it does, how to place orders in here, and yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.